It's all done up in its beautiful Art Deco styling from the time. It is preserved in situ, so it's mostly original. And we'll have an opportunity to talk a little bit about that later. But just understand when we're going through, what you're seeing is almost identical to what was seen almost 90 years ago, which is pretty awesome. That it's still in a presentable condition. Now I'm just waiting for the wave. All right, we are good to go. So it looks like Lori's gonna be that second tour guide. She's gonna help us, so follow me. I can get one person to hold that for me. Actually, try to cross the plaza. Okay. So we're gonna hang out right over here. Like I said, I just wanna make sure we got everyone. Folks, come on, keep coming on out. Keep coming on out. Yep. Again, we just want to make sure we have everyone before we set on out so we don't leave any of y'all behind. All right, follow me, folks.
Is how many degrees? 41 degrees Celsius.
Wristbands, please. Go first.
Peterson.
As we're descending, I do want to reiterate just a couple of our rules here. There's no smoking, no vaping, or eating of any kind on these tours. If you have water, feel free to drink as much water as you'd like. Just remember though, there are no restroom breaks. So if you drink too much water, good luck. Now, this is a pretty short tour. We're just going on out to the power plant. It's like one tunnel out there. It's pretty hard to get lost, but do remember you are entering into a federally secured facility and an operating power plant, so you do need to stay with us tour guides at all times. When we arrive, we're going to exit this elevator and we're going to find ourselves in that original tour gallery. Like I was saying, we started our tours in April 1st, 1937. I'll give a little information about that, but you have to wait for the other half of our tour group. And while we wait, that is a great time to ask questions, because otherwise we're kind of just standing there. But like I said, we're going to wait for the rest of our tour group. Once the whole group's together, we'll head on out to the balcony overlooking the powerhouse. So please follow me. Yes, Hoover Dam was designed with tourism in mind. And in some ways you can see this with just how big this tunnel is. Compared to all of the other tunnels, of which there's about 2 miles of tunnels throughout the Hoover Dam, this tunnel is 2 to 3 times the size of those other tunnels. And that was purely to move large groups of people through here. So yes, Hoover Dam was designed with tourism in mind. New folks just like yourselves will be visiting here, so we made accommodations for that. Like I said, this is mostly original. The one non-original element is still somewhat original, is actually these stanchions. These were added in the 1930s as well, but they weren't added after construction, like right when we started tours. These were added 2 years later in 1939. I want to know how they ran tours for 2 years without stanchions in the lines, but that just sounds like a big traffic jam down here. Beyond that though, we are kind of just waiting for our elevator and the other half of our tour. So if you have questions, great time to ask them. We're kind of just staying. We're going to be passing another tour, so we need to stay to our right.
I want to know, does it can move? Or doesn't it crack? You know, like cement.
I think so.
Start snagging some photos. Looking at the generator closest to us, we look at the floor in front of it. This is this gated off area where some of our power plant are doing the job. And that is a Pelton water wheel. It's a different type of generator. That's our in-house generator. So that's going to produce all of our electricity, all of our systems, equipment, and machinery. Now, one of those pieces of machinery that I really like talking about is that piece of equipment they're using, that big green thing in their flag in front of it. This is a PMH bridge drain. You can actually see the second bridge drain all the way down to the powerhouse. Each bridge drain has a lifting capacity of about 300 tons. To give you an idea of just how much that is, the Statue of Liberty here in Harbor, it only weighs like 205 tons. Meaning this crane by itself could easily lift Lady Liberty, which I think that is pretty neat. But it's not what we're using these cranes for. They're for maintenance. Inside each generator is a giant spinning magnet called a rotor. And that rotor can weigh up to 600 tons. So it actually takes both of these cranes working together just to lift one. Now on average, these generators are about 60 to 70% original parts, meaning that some of them have been in service for almost 90 years, which isn't too shabby. Next, I want you to look down at your shoes. Underneath your shoes is our Canadian marble flooring. In the 1936 and 37, by the J.D. Martinez State Company of Denver, these floors, at the time of its concrete, it gives you a pretty good idea of just how thick the Hoover Dam is at its base. Top to bottom, the dam is 726.4 feet tall, while at the top only being about 45 feet thick, giving you an idea of the size and the scale of the Hoover Dam. And with that, folks, meet me back over there at the middle gate because we're going to step back into that room before we finish up this tour. Hang out in this room, do not go down that tunnel just yet. Hang out in this room, do not go down that tunnel. Stop. Hang out in this room, do not go down that tunnel just yet.
That was good, wasn't it? What do you think?
The tour was good because the guide gave the answers for your questions. Which of course, that was only what we didn't ask.
Of course. Engineering. He likes.
If you knew darn well the water you're diving into was 50.
Move the side.
Yeah.
That's very large.
So these are where those turbines are, right? Of course. Here, right? See, that's the water level. It is. Should we head to the cafe?
Yeah, because there is gift shop, so maybe we can buy something for our
Oh,
shop.
yeah, a lot. I think it's better than I expected. still want to go up under the bridge.
But you walking or you just driving?
No, you're driving. Oh no, there's a visitor's place which you can walk across it.
See, Nevada, Arizona.
So it's right on the line. So it's right on the line, huh? Oh, it's hot. It's 105, did he say today? So in Transformers, they had a scene where inside the dam was where they were hiding some of the secret stuff. Obviously they don't, but you know what I mean?
Yeah. How are you looking now?
Oh, my feet are hot. My feet are hot. Are yours?
It's hot, but it's arousing.
El Scorchio. Where's that cafe to?
We need to leave that.
The highest temperature that was recorded was 160 degrees Fahrenheit.
It's like temperature we can find lemon.
I see a cafe. You take a picture of this.
I did.
Yeah, I'm cooking.
What about the city after?
Well, I don't know actually. It's a good question.
I wanted to ask, but someone was keep asking all the time.
Yeah, who was this?
Thomas.
Thomas Wierzbowski.
I know.
Hoover Dam Cafe Bay. Oh, and the gift shop. voir parce que c'est bien de voir. Parce que en voiture. Oh, look.